What is RDAP? The Registration Data Access Protocol. We all use websites daily, but few realize the protocols that keep the Internet's domain system organized. One crucial protocol is the Registration Data Access Protocol, or RDAP. If you've ever needed information on a website's owner or IP address, you've likely encountered RDAP. What is RDAP? Registration Data Access Protocol is a standard protocol for accessing domain name registration data. Standardized by the IETF in 2015, RDAP enables users to view current information for top-level domains, replacing the older WHOIS system. Every registrar is required to implement RDAP as outlined in their agreements with ICANN. The benefits of RDAP. RDAP provides a more structured method for retrieving information about domain names and IP addresses. It addresses the limitations of WHOIS, which struggled with modern demands for security, privacy, and internationalization. The RDAP protocol is more scalable, supports improved data retrieval features, and safeguards user privacy while ensuring necessary information remains accessible. The history of RDAP. The development of RDAP was a direct response to the shortcomings of WHOIS, which became problematic with the rise of data privacy laws. Introduced in the 1980s, WHOIS lacked structured data and security measures, leading to critical issues as the Internet expanded. By 2011, ICANN recognized the need for a replacement, and by 2015, RDAP was officially introduced through a series of requests for comments documents. While RDAP is not yet universally used, its adoption is steadily growing, providing a more secure and efficient way to access domain registration data. Discover more about Internet protocols at our website. whatismyip.com.